Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. Can you hear?
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yes. So I'm from Afghanistan, but I do live in Canada currently. I have a very quick question about halal food, and I have watched your videos, and I do follow your guidelines. My question is this. So in Canada, we have multiple institutions or organizations that certify food as halal, and I have no issues with purchasing them. However, last week I was visiting a family member, and I volunteered and I said, let me go out and get some halal chicken from this specific store. But I got a lot of attitude and a lot of raised eyebrows. Is it proper halal? Is it this? Is it that? So my question is this. Should I be concerned about who's certifying this food as halal, or how do I guide these people that follow this such thought processes?
Akhi Abdul Malik, I've clarified this in previous videos, so it wouldn't be logical for me to reinvent the wheel. The aspect that you should look into are one or two. Number one, did Allah mention in verse 5, in Surah 5, Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse number 5, that the meat slaughtered by the people of the book is halal for you? The answer is yes. Did the Prophet ﷺ investigate or instructed his companions to investigate whenever they were given gifts from the people of the book? Or did he say, just say Bismillah and eat yourselves? He just said to them, say Bismillah and eat yourselves. And he did this himself when was invited by a Jew woman. So, aspect number one, if you're in America, in Canada, in Europe, in a Christian, predominantly Christian country, you can eat any beef, any chicken, any lamb that is available, because the default, it was slaughtered until proven. You have to have a proof. It's not sufficient to hear people say, oh, I know a particular slaughterhouse that does not slaughter. They kill before they slaughter. They do. This is all hearsay. The default in my religion, I can eat. And to prevent me from eating, I have to have proof and evidence. The second aspect is, if some people doubt this, this is up to them. They have all the right not to eat. But they cannot condemn others for eating because they have the proof with them, the default with them, that it is halal. So you guys don't want to eat? No problem. But don't blame me if I eat. Thirdly, these institutions that certify halal from non-halal, most of them, I don't talk in general terms, but I say, because I've dealt with some of them, most of them make money. So they come to shops, companies, organizations and say, listen, would you like us to certify you? You have to pay us money. If these guys were doing it for the sake of Allah, they should have done it for free. But if I don't pay, if I don't subscribe, you would not certify me? But I'm slaughtering in front of you. I said, well, you have to pay. This is like any protection. This is like the mafia. So most of them, their credibility is not that reliable. And that's why we say we can't rely on them 100%. Not that all of them can be painted with the same brush. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. There is an hadith, but it is not authentic. And hence, the scholars like Ibn Abbar and others say that this is only done by the ignorants who do not know the sunnah. So wiping the face after the dua is not from the sunnah, and it's only done by those ignorant who do not know the authentic sunnah.